Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. My name is Winifred, and you're welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to make a simple Zara cap. It is just an introductory video, just to show you the basic and easiest and simplest way to make a Zara cap. And then, as time goes on, we are going to be making beautiful designs with the basics that we've learned of Zara caps. We're going to be making beautiful designs of Zara cap from these basics. So if this is what you would like to learn, kindly click the subscribe button. Like my videos, share with your family and friends, and watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on any part. Alright guys, let's get to the honey of this video. Let's go.
I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel.
So to make a Zara cap, you are going to be needing a marker or a wording. In this case, I'm using a wording. And then you will need your fabric. The wording is about 3 inches long, 3 inches wide, and 13 inches long, while my fabric is about 28 inches wide and 24 inches long. Don't mind the stain on the fabric, it's just water that stained it. It was water from my iron that stained it. So the first thing we're going to be doing is to fold the piece of fabric into two and notch the middle point, and we are going to do the same on the wording. Mind you, you can double this wording or leave it single as it is, or you can use a marker. So I'm placing a notch on the wording also, and then I'm going to place it at the center of the fabric, leaving some space as you can see me do, and then I'm going to fold it over to create like a fold, that fold that you always see in Zara caps. So now I'm going to fold it like so and fold it again. Watch what I'm doing closely so you don't miss it. After folding it again like this, I am going to stitch it from one end to the other. I'm going to stitch it all the way from one end to the other. So once that is done, you see that is the wrong side that I've marked, so I'm going to fold it towards the right side as you can see me do. So that's the wrong side. I'm going to fold it towards the right side as you can see me do. If you are watching what I'm doing, you will definitely get it. Once that is done, I'm going to run another stitch from one end to the other to secure the fold that I created. So once that is done, I'm going to flip my fabric into two, right side facing right side, and then I'm going to mark my head circumference divided by 2. The head circumference I used here was 24, divided by 2 is 12 inches. So I'm going to mark it like a curve as you can see me do, and then I'm going to cut the curve out with my scissors, but I'm not going to cut exactly on the mark I made because we will need some allowance to stitch it down, right? If you've gotten to this point and you've not yet subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. So the next thing I'm going to do is to run a stitch from where I am taking my hand with 1/2 inch. I've done that, and then the next thing you're going to do is to take your needle and thread and just do a gathered stitch. Just run a gathered stitch on that edge so that we can form our cap. Don't forget to work with the length of thread you can work with conveniently so that you don't get any problem when you are working on your own. So just watch the way I'm doing my gather stitch going to run my gather stitch all the way to the top, and then I am going to secure the thread. You do glorious things, you do marvelous things, you're a faithful God, awesome is your name. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to secure the thread, which is what I'm doing now. You have to secure it multiple times so that your cap does not start to lose when you wear it, which we don't want. So you have to secure it as much as possible. There is no time that is too much to secure the thread, because you don't want your thread to cut off while you are wearing your turban. So even after cutting the thread, you still have to tie it again very well to secure the thread. So once that is done, after securing the thread and it is done, you are done with your zaracap, and this is what it looks like. Very neat and plain and fine. You can then go ahead to embellish it anyhow you want it and enjoy your zaracap. Thank you for watching. Till I see you in my next video. Bye. I love you and I care.